In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to take a photo within Messages app and add it instantly, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then you need to use camera portion of your screen, take a pic, and once you do, it will be automatically attached. So all you need to do is send it. If you wish to pick already existing photos, use the same icon. This time, hold this line and drag it up. Now tap on all of your photos you want to add, hit done at the bottom right corner, and send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!